subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Google has been working on a foldable smartphone, and it seems that the technology giant is all set to officially launch it. Evan Blass has revealed that the upcoming foldable Pixel smartphone will be launched by the end of this year. He adds that the company has been working on this new smartphone for more than 2 years. While the launch timeline is now known, the phone's actual name for their retail market still remains unknown. Report also suggests that the device will use an LTPO OLED display. Smartphone is also said to have an under-display camera setup. Blueprint of the Google Pixel Fold was previously leaked, which reveals that the device could have a design similar to the Samsung Galaxy Fold series. This indicates an outward folding display with a cylindrical hinge at their center. It has also been reported that the Samsung will be supplying ultra-thin glass, UTG, to Google for the Pixel Fold. Samsung and Google have partnered up for a few products in the past, the most recent being the Wear OS 3 for wearable devices and most of the hardware components for the upcoming Pixel 6 series flagship smartphones. Google is expected to start taking pre-orders for the Pixel 6 series smartphones from 19th October, and the sale could begin from 28th October. There's a possibility that the Google release the Pixel Fold smartphone at the Pixel 6 launch event. Given that multiple reports are talking about it, there's a fair chance of Pixel Fold getting launched in the coming weeks or months. Once launched, the foldable Pixel smartphone from Google will be competing against Samsung's increasing lineup of foldable smartphones. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.